You can get a better, more flexible middle splits in seconds with these two exercises. When you learn how to hack the nervous system, you will get instant improvements. Stick around because after I show you these two exercises, I'm going to explain exactly why this works so well. We are the fitness app that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise because we believe that health is about performance and not just body image. The first exercise you're going to do is the pissing dog overcoming isometric. The idea is that you go to the end range of hip abduction and contract your glutes hard for 10 seconds. So drive your knee into the wall as hard as you can, but do not disturb your body's position. Only the leg moves. Do one set of 3 reps where each rep is a 10-second contraction. As a result of this hard glute contraction, the adductors will relax and the nervous system response that would normally prevent you from going deeper into the middle splits won't kick in. The next exercise we're going to do is an active middle split. This is a loaded form of PNF stretching that builds strength and safety at your end range. Hold on to something to assist you. Bring your feet as wide apart as you can comfortably get to, and then pull your feet into the ground hard for 30 seconds so that you're contracting the adductors. Try to let go of whatever you're holding onto and rely on the strength of your legs. With each set you do of these two exercises, you will see instant increases in flexibility. The only way to really tell how well this works, though, is to test your passive range before you do this. If you want to learn more about this, grab the Modern Flexibility Blueprint. It's free. Just click that link there and download it now. Okay, let's talk about why this works so well. Your muscles aren't tight. That's not what's stopping you from getting deep into the middle splits. Your nervous system is protecting you from injuring yourself. The problem is, it's doing too good a job. There are 2 major nervous system security mechanisms involved in the process of flexibility development that you must understand. Each includes neurons that communicate with muscles and the muscles communicating back to your nervous system. So that, number 1, it ensures that your limbs don't stretch too far and cause an injury. And number 2, ensure you don't lift too much weight and cause an injury. Now, most protocols will help improve your flexibility over a duration of weeks and months, but the second security mechanism of making sure you don't overload muscles with excessive weight can be hacked to increase your flexibility within a few seconds. And that's what we've just done here.